I'm here with my nostalgia, MyMini skillet and noodle cooker, and I'm making some breakfast quesadillas. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So I have some of these street taco size kind of mini tortillas. These are the Mission brand. I can get these at my local supermarket. These are the white corn tortillas, and I actually have one left on these flour tortillas. And today I am going to make a quick breakfast. I am going to make some breakfast quesadillas with these. The first thing I'm going to do is plug in this mini appliance. This is what I'm using to make my breakfast quesadillas. So I have my mini tortillas, I have a hard-boiled egg, which I've cut up into slices, and then I have some cheese. I think this is American cheese, but you could use any kind of cheese you want. The nice thing about quesadillas is you can use anything that you like inside of them. Here's my mini skillet. I'm just gonna grab a tortilla and put it inside. Fits perfectly. And then I'm going to grab some cheese. I'm just going to put some cheese on one side of it. This is going to be the kind that you just kind of flip over on itself with one tortilla. Then let's put 2 slices of egg in here. Let's cover that and let that heat up until the cheese is nice and melty, the tortilla is nice and warm. It literally only takes like a minute or two, so let's open this up. And I want to grab the tortilla and flip it over. I actually cooked it for a little bit too long because it's crispy now. So I just want to press this down on it. And there's my little quesadilla. Let's make another one, and this time let's put the cheese in the middle. We'll put cheese in the middle, so that way when I fold it over, actually let's put cheese on both sides. That way when I fold it over, the melted cheese will help it stick together. And put 2 pieces of the egg. And let's cover that up, and let's melt that. It's been about a minute. The cheese is nice and melty. Let's fold this over and press it down. And I think that looks really good. Let's make one more because I have 2 little pieces of egg left. And I just opened a new bag of cheese, so that's a different cheese. Let's add the little pieces of egg that I have left, just 2 little pieces. And let's cover this. Okay, it's been about a minute. The cheese is nice and melty. Let's turn this over on itself. Press it down. Turn it over and press it down. Looks good. Here are my 3 little breakfast quesadillas. And so what I have here is a little bit of like taco sauce, and then over here I have some sour cream. Obviously you can eat them however you like to eat them. Leave a comment below and let me know how you like to make breakfast quesadillas and what you like to eat with them. I'm just gonna dip it in some of the sauce. Really good. Let's dip it into a little bit of the sour cream. Let's dip it into the sour cream and also the sauce. That's delicious, and it's so quick, so easy to make, and it's also a really inexpensive but filling breakfast. 3 mini tortillas, a hard-boiled egg, and a few slices of cheese with whatever toppings you like. It's quick to make, it gets you out of the door in the morning, and it keeps you full for a while. So that's how easy it is to make some mini breakfast quesadillas in this nostalgia MyMini skillet and noodle cooker. I hope this video is helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make with this mini appliance. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.